Hello, this is Olivia with Framework IT. Our mission is really to empower your people to do more by helping you get IT right. So I'm going to explain a little bit about how we do that and why Framework IT and the quality services that we provide really differentiate us from other managed IT service providers. So I'd like to highlight some metrics that we use, really just to speak to the level of quality according to our current partners. So first, I'll start with the Net Promoter Score. So the Net Promoter Score really just is measuring the client really loyalty or the likelihood that our current clients would recommend our services. Anything above a 50 is considered exceptional. We're at a 58.95, meaning that our current clients are highly likely to highly recommend our services to their peers. There's also a customer satisfaction or CSAT score. So that's really just measuring the level of satisfaction that our clients have with our services. We send, after every completed ticket, a quick survey to each user to measure their level of satisfaction with our performance. And so we have a 96% satisfaction rate across all the different users and industries and organizations that we support. Also, if you check out clutch.com, you can click on this link right here, which brings up our clutch.com profile. This is an independent review site that really is interviewing different service providers, clients to rank and publish their ratings. So Framework IT, what you can see here, we are the most reviewed provider for the top managed service providers in Chicago. So that can just give you some more insight into the language that our own partners and clients are using just to speak about our services. So as for the service level agreements or SLAs, for specifically like response times. So when we talk about the unlimited support that we provide, we're specifically referencing unlimited support for incidents. So incidents are defined as the events that result in the performance interruption or degradation of one or more technology services or systems. So you can basically think about these, issues or incidents as what the service level agreements or SLAs apply to. So we're not talking about the, one-off questions or meetings with the VCIO to provide consulting, or more of just those typically like service requests, which are also known as like moves, additions, or changes. So when we talk about response time specifically, these are defined as the time from the receipt of the support ticket until a Framework IT staff member has basically triaged the issue, getting it to the most appropriate person, and really just determining that appropriate next course of action. So that's how we define response times. These response time SLAs are measured really only during the covered help desk hours. But what's important for you to know is that when you see these different response times listed here on this chart below, they're ranked by different priority levels. You can check out this link to this matrix, which shows you really how we prioritize issues here at Framework IT. We use the ITIL philosophy really just to measure the urgency and the impact of the issues. So that's where you can look a little bit more to get some more insight on the different priority levels. But when you see these different SLA response times here for, from 30 minutes to 4 hours, you can really think of these SLAs as really the worst that you could get with Framework IT. If we exceed these SLAs, at that point, we're in breach of our contractual obligations to you. So really, at the end of the day, the most important line on this entire page, I would say, is this last line that's listed here, which really just says that our average response time across all priority levels and all the different users and organizations that we support over the last 12 months has been 3 minutes. So what that means, right, is that we're beating even our own contractual SLAs. So we're really just proud of these metrics, really just showing our commitment to that best-in-class, top quality managed IT services that we provide. Thank you.